A retired Liberation War commander is sensationally claimed President Emmerson Mnangagwa was fighting a losing battle to remain in power, insisting the ruling party's powerful military-linked structures have already chosen Vice President Constantine Chiwenga as the next leader. Sanapita mashuko budanyu kapangwa na chinsi Mnangagwa was finished. Retired general claims Chiwenga's takeover is already sealed. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita pangwa ine go truth on budanyu rach posa mapicha samru kona avivi Constantine Chiwenga akansi the voice of the people. Obudamnyuka Mchinzi. Speaking in explosive remarks, General Gauke said he had worn the uniform long enough to know what real power looks like, boasting of his Liberation War credentials and past involvement in FIED Joint Operation Command. The retired general claimed the 2017 removal of former President Robert Mugabe was never about true reform, but merely the beginning of a carefully managed transition inside ZANU-PF. According to Zigauke, Mnangagwa was always viewed as a temporary bridge leader tasked with stabilizing the system before power eventually shifted again. He alleged that senior military figures, war veterans, and the provincial party structures were quietly rallying behind Chiwenga, while Mnangagwa's allies publicly insist there is no vacancy in the presidency. Zigauke further claimed that any eventual transfer of power would likely be presented as a peaceful and voluntary retirement rather than a dramatic political showdown. Doma developments are Pangwa in a Tupanoti, the faction which is opposed to constitutional amendments. Pangwa in a Yoya in a Ukasha, and Pangwa in a they say, Mumba Barracks, Iowa, the military Pangwa in a Irkuya Pangwa in Ichimira na VP Constantino Chiwenga against the Uganda faction. About them of any more will observe with these developments. Bachiti Mnangagwa is finished. Retired general's claims Chiwenga takeover is already sealed. Mnangagwa section of Enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.